Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy crypto with your PayPal. Right, the easiest way to buy crypto with PayPal is directly through the PayPal app or website, as you can see here over the screen. So first of all, you have to just log in into your PayPal, which I have already did here. And once you log in, then here you have to go to the finances section. In your case, in some of the finances section is not given each and every country. So in your case, it could be not available, just like here in my case. Then you have to simply go to payment methods. So here, this is how it's look. Beside the dashboard section, you will find the finances section, right? Which I don't have because it is not available each and every country right now. And once you go to the finances section, then here you will get this option of crypto as well as saving. You have to go and click on the crypto and you will be directly here. Now here you can just select your cryptocurrency which you want to buy. So in my case, it's here Bitcoin. You can buy the different kinds of altcoin if you want, and the popular one is always listed in the front. Now, if you want to just buy a Bitcoin here, you have to just go and click on buy. And once you click on buy here, you have to enter the amount, how much you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy for the $200, $500, right, you can just enter it. And once you enter it, it will ask you to pay. So here you can just link your bank account, or you can just enter your MasterCard or whichever card you have and do the payment and click on agree and buy. So this is how you can buy cryptocurrency from your PayPal account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.